Section 1. A giant leap. The ground crunches under your heavy boots, a gritty powder shifting with every step. You see your footprints pressed into a sea of grey dust, a perfect mark on a silent, untouched world. Strange, dark rocks jut out from the ground like ancient statues. The sky above is a deep, endless black, even as the sun shines. You lift your head, feeling the weight of your helmet, and gaze at the horizon. No trees, no rivers, no life. It feels like you've traveled 250,000 miles through space. Are you standing on the moon? You take another step, heart pounding with excitement and wonder. The landscape is vast and empty, a beautiful, desolate painting of greys and blacks. In the distance, a massive crater carves a giant bowl into the land. You can almost imagine the Earth, a blue and white marble hanging in the sky above. Suddenly, you hear a faint sound. A car? Far away, a tiny speck moves along a dusty road. The illusion shatters. You pull off your helmet, the black sky brightens to blue, and a breeze touches your face. You're not on the moon. You're right here on Earth, in a place so strange it feels like another world. Isn't that incredible? Our planet holds landscapes so extreme, they can fool us into thinking we've left Earth. These are our planet's hidden moons, natural laboratories where we prepare for humanity's greatest adventure, exploring the cosmos. So where are these amazing places, and what makes them so special? Let's explore the moon, right here on Earth. If you wanted to walk on the moon without leaving Earth, where would you go? Our planet is home to landscapes that look and feel just like the lunar surface. NASA searched the globe for these perfect cosmic lookalikes, places to truly test astronauts and equipment. 3 of the most famous lunar landscapes on Earth: the volcanic highlands of Iceland, the lava fields of Mauna Loa in Hawaii, and the Atacama Desert in Chile. Each offers a unique piece of the lunar puzzle, not just visually, but geologically and physically. These sites have trained astronauts since the Apollo era, providing the first taste of navigating an alien world. They're more than practice fields. They're a bridge between our world and the next. Ready to explore? Let's start in the land of Vikings and volcanoes. Our first stop is Iceland, a country of glaciers and volcanoes. In its remote highlands, you'll find a landscape that could be the moon-dark volcanic sand and jagged basalt rock. Basalt, formed from cooled lava, is the same rock found on the moon. In the 1960s, NASA brought Apollo astronauts here to learn geology and practice using their tools in bulky suits. The treeless, barren ground and profound silence prepared them for lunar isolation. Today, Iceland remains a key site for testing rovers, drilling, and studying life in extreme environments. The story of space exploration is written in the rocks beneath our feet, connecting Earth to the moon. Next, we head to Mauna Loa in Hawaii, one of Earth's largest volcanoes. Its hardened lava fields mimic the moon's dark maria, creating a rugged, challenging landscape. At HICs, a habitat on Mauna Loa's slopes, crews live in isolation, simulating lunar or Martian missions. They wear spacesuits, communicate with mission control on a delay, and solve problems on their own. The mission tests teamwork, resilience, and the limits of technology. NASA learns how to keep astronauts safe and productive millions of miles from home. By using Earth's extremes, we prepare to boldly go where no one has gone before. Our final stop is the Atacama Desert in Chile, the driest non-polar desert on Earth. Its reddish soil, salt flats, and barren canyons feel as lifeless as the moon. The Atacama's dryness, high altitude, and intense UV radiation mimic lunar conditions. NASA tests rovers and life detection instruments here, learning vital lessons for Moon and Mars missions. The Valley of the Moon is a proving ground for navigation, drilling, and remote operations. At night, the Atacama's skies reveal the Milky Way in breathtaking detail, connecting us to the cosmos. On the ground, it prepares us for other worlds. From its peaks, it lets us dream of journeys yet to come. Why go to all this trouble? Because nothing replaces real-world experience in challenging environments. Earth's lunar landscapes are the ultimate training wheels for space exploration. Mistakes here are lessons, not disasters. Testing technology in Iceland's wind or the Atacama's sun reveals weaknesses labs can't. Every failure on Earth is a success for a future space mission. These simulations also prepare astronauts for the mental and emotional challenges of space isolation, teamwork, and stress. By training in these places, astronauts build resilience and confidence no classroom can provide. These earthly training grounds are the first essential steps on the journey to the stars. What's a day like for an astronaut training for the moon on Earth? Imagine waking up in a simulated lunar base. After a quick breakfast, you and your crew review the day's mission with distant mission control. You suit up, check each other's gear, and step through the airlock into a silent, alien world. Navigating rocky terrain, you collect specific rock samples, describing them for the science team back home. Every movement is effortful, every task a lesson in teamwork and precision. After hours outside, you return, remove your suits, store samples, and debrief. The routine, hard work, careful procedure, and teamwork turns individuals into a true astronaut crew. This is how we prepare for the real moon. All this training leads to humanity's next great adventure, the Artemis program. Artemis aims to return humans to the moon, this time to stay, building a lunar base and a space station called Gateway. The Artemis generation uses Earth analogs and virtual reality to make training more realistic than ever. Their top priority, searching for water ice at the moon's poles, a resource that could provide air and rocket fuel. Training in Iceland, Hawaii, and the Atacama prepares astronauts to drill, analyze, and survive on the lunar surface. The next moonwalker will have spent countless hours on Earth's most alien landscapes. They'll be ready to unlock the moon's secrets and carry us deeper into the solar system. From Iceland's volcanic fields to Chile's deserts, we've journeyed to the moon without leaving home. These places are more than alien landscapes. They're classrooms, testing grounds, and rehearsal stages for the future. Exploring them helps us understand both the moon and Earth in new ways. They teach us about geology, engineering, resilience, and the spirit of exploration. You don't have to be an astronaut to feel wonder. Adventure and discovery are everywhere. Studying our planet teaches us how to reach for others and inspires us to keep exploring. The journey to the moon begins with a single step. Sometimes